Greatness isn't born. It's carefully honed to precision. Since its founding over 35 years ago, Martin has set the standard for professional entertainment and architectural lighting, engineering the world's most innovative, reliable, and durable professional lighting fixtures. Since its inception, Martin has resonated with lighting designers and specifiers across the globe and firmly established itself as the undisputed leader in the pro lighting industry. Today, Martin is evolving one of the most beloved fixtures in its family and making it even more impactful, versatile, and efficient than ever thought imaginable.
We can multiply the beam by 4, it's all rotatable.
Martin is committed to the development of future-ready products, aligned with the market's appetite for a fixture that can push the limits for best-in-class performance, specifically as an LED successor in the 1000 to 1200 watt HID category. Today, Martin is proud to unveil its all-new generation Mac Viper high-output, full-featured outdoor moving head. It combines legendary Viper optical performance, durability, and reliability with Martin's patent-pending XIP smart weatherproofing technology and an incredibly robust feature set. This results in superior light output and performance in a smaller, lighter, and more efficient footprint. The new fixture began taking shape at Martin's state-of-the-art European headquarters and production facility. The meticulously planned layout is optimized for efficiency and productivity, and the raw materials are scrutinized for the highest quality benchmarks. Martin's design process is driven by cutting-edge automation, and a dedicated team of designers, engineers, and technicians collaborate seamlessly to exacting standards. Additionally, some of the world's most rigorous testing procedures are carried out in Martin's optical labs to validate performance and durability, reaffirming our dedication to quality control and precision craftsmanship at every stage of the production process.
Welcome to Martin R&D headquarters in Aarhus, Denmark. My name is Asger Andersen, and I'm globally responsible for any R&D activities we put into Martin products. We have just completed more than 50,000 hours worth of R&D effort to bring to the market the new Mac Viper XIP. In the R&D organization, we are super fortunate to have a very high level of experience with Martin lights, but also a very high level of continuity of our R&D team members. And actually the vast majority of the R&D team who have now developed the new Mac Viper XIP were actually developing the original Mac Viper back in time. In the R&D organization, we not only develop the new products, we are also responsible for any innovation, technology and platform related activity feeding into the product development. In that way, we are in complete control of all the activities feeding into our product and can prove the new innovations and prove the new technologies before they actually go into a product. Based upon proven optics, light engine and XIP technologies, we have designed a product with great care and a very high level of attention to detail, passing several thousand hours worth of reliability and robustness testing. For us, in the end, to bring to the market a product that is just as robust and just as reliable as you would expect for any Martin product. I'm absolutely sure you will recognize and appreciate the value we have engineered into the design. I'm also absolutely confident that this new product will redefine the Mac Viper category in true spirit of its heritage.
Hello, my name is Peter Skytte. I'm leading product management for Martin Professional. I was product manager and part of the project team that developed and launched the original Mac Viper back in 2012. So we decided to do the wiper. We decided to make a fixture which is convincingly bright. And so with over a decade of being the industry's favorite workhorse in the category, it is now time to introduce an all-new generation of this legendary product. So with that, I'm very pleased to hand it over to Product Manager, Stage Lighting, Henrik Christensen.
Thank you, Peter. I'm right here with the new MacViper XIP. It's a high output, fully featured outdoor moving head. For the last 3 years, we have been designing and developing a product that outperforms the original and legendary MacViper. It's the most feature-rich Mac developed up until now and is going to replace the existing MacViper family. The new MacViper XIP's unique features include high quality output, low operation noise, low weight, and outdoor rating. Combined with Martin's proprietary light engine makes it an exceptional workhorse. The MacViper XIP's versatility and performance makes it the perfect choice for concert touring, performing arts, corporate events, and many other applications. Let's sit down and look at the features and technologies. So when we start designing a product like this, we of course get a lot of feedback from the market, from our distributor, from customers, from line designer, from our own internal sales team, and of that information of course being used to make the overall specification on the product. And the overall concept with the new MacViper XIP have been to develop a product that sits in the same size and weight class as the original Viper. We have managed to do a product that is more or less the same size. We have a bigger, a longer head for more features and for more zoom range. A smaller base helps us with that. And on top of that, we have managed to do a product that is 2 kilo, 4 pounds less than the original MacViper. If you look into the spec or the feature set themselves, we have developed a product that is the most feature-rich Mac developed up until now. It actually have more features than the bigger brother, the Mac Ultra. But it also as feature-rich that it covers for any of the 4 original MacViper variants. So in this new product, you have the same feature set as you would have in a Viper Performance, a Viper Profile, a Viper WAS or Viper DX. So with the new MacViper XIP, you can actually cover any of the applications you could cover with the original MacViper family. If we look back at the Mac Ultra launched 3 years ago, we raised the bar a lot for optical performance, and the new MacViper XIP takes another step upwards. We have a huge zoom range covering down from a nice 5 degree up to 51 degrees. But it's also how crisp the optical system is. We have an optical system with higher resolution on the optical projection side, and that means you have much better projection quality, you have less spill light, you have higher contrast, so where there's supposed to be black in a gobo, there is black. So the light engine in the new MacViper XIP is a proprietary Martin light engine. It's in-house developed. It's using the same technology as in the Mac Ultra. And one of the key benefits from that engine is that it really maintains its output over the life. At 30,000 hours, we are down to only 3 to 4% output drop on an engine like that. So there is no need to replace the engine over the life of the product. The light engine will certainly outlive the life of the product itself. It sits in the same color temperature at 5,800 Kelvin, but addition to that, it also sits right at the black body curve, so it's pure crisp white coming out of the product. There's no need to compensate towards magenta or green. It's a bit warmer than many other products on the market, but it's much better for skin tones or other objects that you want to illuminate. You can mix and match Mac Ultra and the new MacViper XIP on applications. You'll get the same color temperature, you'll get the same colors. So due to the fact that we have an in-house developed light engine and optical system, we have a really high lumen maintenance over the zoom range, giving extreme high output in narrow beam angles. In regards to the optical system, we have designed the new MacViper XIP so the heavy frost works in the entire zoom range, and you can use the product as a wash light, even with internal barn doors. We are also introducing a new LED driver technology that gives extremely smooth low-level dimming that is highly desired in the theatrical industry. So the new Mac Viper XIP is featuring our XIP technology that we introduced together with the Mac Aura XIP some time back. Some of the unique points with this new technology is less weight on the product. We have managed to design a product that is 2 kilo or 4 pounds less than the original Viper. On the noise side, we have a product that is as low noise as the Mac Encore that have become an industrial standard for the theater market. In the Mac Viper XIP, we are using our light recycling technology. Basically, we have the light engine emitting light towards the gobos. They are reflecting light back into the light engine and reactivating the phosphor in the LEDs, and they are emitting more light. With that, we are gaining 20 to 25% more light when using gobos. The general mass of products out there is dimming the light engine when that is happening because the phosphor in the LEDs are silicon based. We are using a ceramic phosphor that can cope with the heat. Our XIP technology is eliminating any dimming when using gobo, colors or any other feature. With the Mac Viper XIP, we are introducing this second generation motor control. It's a completely new way of driving our motors, both giving more smooth but also more fast operation. And for instance, on pan and tilt, we have a very responsive and fast operating product. Additionally to pan and tilt, the new second generation motor control is also giving the user really fast CMY colors, for instance, color bumps. So overall, a fast pan and tilt movement is always desired, but especially for follow spot systems, it's very important to have a responsive and fast system to be able to track artists on a stage. With the Mac Viper XIP, we have designed a product with high utilization. It can be used outdoor in any weather or inside in a theatrical application. Even though the new Mac Viper XIP is fully outdoor rated, it's still very easy to open and maintain the product inside. The head covers comes off with only 4 screws and no additional vacuum test or sealing is needed afterwards. Because of our XIP technology, you won't have any issues with condensation inside the product on the front lens. That is due to our ventilated design. You can even open up the product in the field, exchange a gobo without the risk of having issues with condensation. Regarding heat management, the base is completely sealed off. In the head, 95% of the airflow is over the heat exchanger in the back, and only 5% of air is taken into the head itself. We have a clever filter system that is accessible from the outside, and it's easy to remove and exchange air filters. In the Mac Viper XIP, we are introducing a couple of new features. The first one is a dedicated color temperature channel, where you can adjust the color temperature from 1500 Kelvin all the way up to 12,000 Kelvin. Secondly, we have a 10 channel for magenta green shift. We are also launching NFC for the first time at Martin, so near field communication. Later in the year we will launch a Martin app, and with the app you can do auto addressing and other smart functions to the product. The NFC technology will be a huge benefit prepping product in the field and afterwards for service. With the new Mac Viper XIP, we have created a product with the perfect ratio on high quality output, overall size, weight and low noise level. It simply elevates your lighting experiences, where cutting edge technology meets flawless execution.
With its uncompromising package of high-output optical performance, XIP smart weatherproofing technology, low noise, and a more efficient overall package, Mac Viper XIP is here to disrupt the mid to large moving head category. From EDM festivals and concert stages to TV studios and opera houses, Mack Viper XIP delivers indoors or out, all year long, in any kind of weather, and reinvents the Mack Viper legend. We invite you to discover the possibilities that await you with the new Martin Mack Viper XIP. Visit martin.com for complete details.